then I ball. I ignored a lot of calls. You ain't talking about nothing.
Hey guys, I'm gonna jump right into it. This is Turn Up the Heat. It's a great heat protectant, and this is It's a 10, which is my miracle leave-in product. I'm gonna spray that all over my hair and then start blow drying the hair. Today, my goal is to achieve a high braided bun. So you just wanna keep blow drying your hair, and then after you have blow dried your hair, you want to section it off into 4 sections. And why I'm doing this process, it's because I want to then flat iron my hair, and I'm going to flat iron it and kind of do a curl so it's manageable and easier to pull up in a ponytail and achieve any type of high bun or ponytail, in my opinion. So I'm just sectioning off my hair here, and I'm going to use a clip to pin up any ends that I'm not flat iron. And this is my Babyliss 1.5 flat iron. I love this flat iron. It's a bit pricey, but it's worth all of the money. After I finish blow drying, I'm going to pull up in the ponytail, but look how straight it gets my hair. Like, wow. Oh my gosh. My hair has grown so much. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have a pixie cut, and this is just a year and a half of growth here. So you see right here, I'm doing the curls, and I'm going to do this all over my head. So I'm going to keep sectioning off pieces, taking it one by one. If you're in a rush, I would not suggest you do this. You may want to just use your natural hair texture, depending on the hair that you're using. The hair that I'm going to use in my bun is straight, so I want to straighten my hair as well. But I also want to do curls so it will, kind of be able to grip into that ponytail that I want to do, or into the bun. Since I'm doing a braided bun, the curls will fold into that braid a bit more than what it would look like if I just straightened the hair. So I'm going to do this all over. Once it's done, it looks like this. And I'm going to pull it up in a ponytail. Look at all that hair. Oh my God. That's crazy. It looks super healthy, and that's another thing. I should do one where I show the products of my leave-in conditioners and my regular conditioners and the shampoo that I use. I'm all about healthy hair. And I never use a rubber band, so I'm just going to use a soft hair tie and pull the hair up. Then I'm going to lay down a little bit of my flyaways that I had toward my edges with the Hicks edge control. I love this edge control. It doesn't have any white residue or anything like that. And then I'm going to use it also to lay down my baby hairs. If you could tell, I already have some, so natural baby hairs, of course. And I'm just using a rat tail comb. Nice and easy, not too much pressure, just being soft on the edges. I have fine hair. It's a lot of hair, but it's really fine, and I don't like to put a lot of tension, so I'm being really soft with what I do, and that's why I don't like using a rubber band as well. That's too much tension on your hair. So from here, I'm still laying up the edges, and I'm going to put it on my baby hairs now and just do a little S curls. I think I like those type of baby hair formations, but I just do some S's throughout the baby hairs. I'm not the one to do like designs with baby hairs. I keep it nice and simple. Just creating the S's there, and then along the bottom part as well, just a little S there. Make them nice and cute. Boo. Yeah, that's my signature there. So I don't like too much. And after I do the edges, now it's time to take the hair that I'm going to use, and I'm going to start wrapping and pinning the hair around my ponytail. I didn't show that I wrap my hair at night. That's why I have a different shirt on, and I took it off in the morning, and now I'm going to wrap and pin, and just do the same thing until the hair piece that I'm using is secure all over my head so I can do the braid and the bun. So you just want to keep wrapping the hair, around my ponytail, and just keep pinning, and just be careful. You don't want to, put the pins too much into your hair and stab your hair. You can cause bald spots or kind of like small lacerations in your head. So just be gentle, and it hurts. So, I tend to sleep wildly and everything like that, and I don't need any pins stabbing me into my head. So I'm very conscious of where I'm placing the pins and making sure I stay above my scalp instead of sticking it in my scalp. So more or less, you can feel it as you're doing it. And if you feel like something is stabbing into your scalp, I will pull that pin out and place it somewhere differently. For instance, here, I'm trying to place that pin there, and I keep hearing a snag on my hair, and I'm like, what is going on? Or I feel it pulling my hair, and I did not realize that the pin actually was missing the little protecting part of the ends of it, because it's just metal, and once that comes off, that really, like, it's harder for the pin to go in your hair. So just be conscious of the pins and what they're doing, because I've ran into that issue there, and it could be really painful. So just be mindful. And here I ran into the same issue with the pin, and I didn't realize until the end that the little protectant part of the metal, I guess I don't want to say it's rubber, but the ball at the end of the pin that protects the metal, so it's not pushing on your skin, that fell off. So I had to get a new one, and once I finally got a new one, the pin slid in really good, and it wasn't stabbing my hair or causing any type of tension or anything like that. But you can see I keep playing with that position, and I didn't realize that was the issue going on with the pin. So mistakes happen, things happen. Just keep it pushing, keep it moving. Just make sure, like, I'm very, very adamant on this situation. Like, make sure the pins are not stabbing in your hair. So you want to brush the ponytail, make sure all of the flyaways are gone, and make sure that the hair is secure. So I'm just securing any spots now that I think may lift up when I'm braiding the hair or pulling it or tugging it and, creating the bun. You want to make sure that it's secure as possible. Secure the hair. It's not a wig, so I can't say secure the wig, but always secure the hair by all means. So I'm brushing it again. I just don't want any flyaways. And here I'm going to start braiding the hair. And when I braid the hair, because I like the little pattern that it gives the bun, I could just, swoop it around, but I like to create a different type of look. And I feel like braiding it gives it this cute kind of twisted look. And I don't braid it all the way down, and I just wrap it. And that's it. So I hope you like the video. Like and subscribe, please. And this is my finished product. Enjoy, and always remember, you can shop thecashbeat.com. Bye.